Logging rainfall with Python. First post, and I am at a dead end with this problem. Some background: I have a raspberrypizero which I am developing a weather station with. So far it logs temp, humidity and pressure, as well as sending the data to the windy.com API. Recently I added a tipping bucket rain gauge. This has two wires which connect to the GUIO. When the bucket tips, it momentarily completes the circuit, essentially a button press. The goal here is to count the tips every hour, then reset. Before resetting, send this data to log file plus windy API. This is the part I am struggling with. I am pretty good with Python, but I am at a true writer's block moment. Here is a small program I cobbled together from snippets which counts the tips for testing.
It looks like you are continuously setting your rain to 0 in your while true column loop. Edit, try something like this for your loop. Edit 3. With the following code you can record button presses over a specified amount of time.